How y'all doing? I'm Big Al. Welcome back to the garage. Today we are here with my daily driver 2016 Camry because another door handle broke off of it. Yep. And this was the last of the factory handles. I'm a little sad about that. Anyway, it's on the front passenger door. I'm going to show you how to fix it. It sounds like I've got a storm coming my way, so hopefully we get this done quickly. Let's get to it. Okay, the good thing is this is the front door, not a rear. They're a little simpler. We got this little cover here, which would normally be for a lock cylinder on the driver's side, but this is the passenger side, at least on a US car. If we were in the UK, Australia, or Japan, this would be the driver door. Same basic procedure. There is a T30 nut in here. We just have to loosen that, not take it all the way out, though. And that should allow this to come out. Should doesn't necessarily mean will. Come on, baby. Do you have to take it all the way out? I don't think so. Come on. Okay, everyone else makes it look so dang easy. I just flung my T30 bit. Oh, I really look like an idiot now. So now we got to just get this part out. Should just come right out. I don't know why it ain't. Come on. Okay. Because I always have to look overconfident and just get this broken piece out also. At least that part was easy. Of course, you know, South Carolina summertime, hot as an oven out here. But hey, we're getting it done. Oh, you can't see that. Well, of course I wasn't recording. I put a trim tool here and pried it right out. Of course, right? Ain't that always the way? Okay. Now, bring the door around. Bring you around so you've got a better view. I'm going to leave those old gaskets. These are just generic door handles. They're black, which is close enough to what's on the car already.